To replace this air filter, remove these two 10mm bolts. They don't actually come out, but you do have to unthread them all the way. Now you can lift the air filter housing up, remove the old filter. If there's a lot of debris down there, which for me there is quite a bit, I'm going to actually take a vacuum and clean all that out. With that clean, take your new filter, and you'll notice that it can only go on one way, or at least it should. So it says front here, that's the front of the vehicle, so this has to be pointing towards you, and this says up, so this side faces up, which means this side is the one that catches all the debris. Slide it in and line it up. Should fall into place. Slide your air filter cover back on. When you slide it on, make sure that on the back of it, these little hooks go underneath these right here. If they're up on top, your air filter housing is not going to seal properly. So make sure that is where it's supposed to be. Press it down and snug up your two 10mm bolts. Perfect.